Contrary to belief, it actually does rain here in Los Angeles. In fact, it's been raining quite a lot. The dog doesn't have any rain gear, and the only umbrella that I own broke. So today, I'm gonna custom sew a raincoat for Hazel. When it comes to creating new outfits, I always like to look at what already exists. Why buy new fabric when there's heaps of garments and fabric already existing on this planet, just in like a different shape? I found a raincoat. Ta-da! This is technically kind of like an extra large. This coat ran me $10 at the Salvation Army. It's really well made. I think it'll work. Let's go. I'm starting with a basic men's raincoat. I want to use as much of the fabric as possible, and especially preserve as many of the pre-existing details as I can, like the front buttons and collar. For Hazel's raincoat, I want the sides to curve to her lower body and come together all the way from collar to waist. This means I'm gonna have to make a brand new armhole and side seams, so I'm gonna have to take that out first. For her sleeves, I'm gonna do a ribbed shirt cuff with elastic, so I can get my hand in there and pull her paw through, but then tighten the cuff with a button, which I'll repurpose from the coat's original sleeve. Lastly, using scrap fabric from the pockets, I'll make a square flap that I'll sew over a buttonhole at the back, right under the collar. This is where the leash will go through. Okay, now let's make it happen.